the action of others. Another thing is other people's motives or other people's plan. You cannot control that. That is beyond your control. Otherwise, those things which are under control, example, your positive attitude. Okay, having your positive attitude, how it follows CDC recommendations, your own social distancing during the COVID time, limiting your social media. You can control that. Okay, you can control that. Your kindness and grace, and that is you are under your control. So my point here is knowing your emotions, factors, situations beyond your control, and then knowing all those things under your control. As we go along with the discussions, you learn to let go of those beyond your control and rather focus more with all those factors which are under your control. Diba? Iwas stress yun. Okay. So, to start with, let us define what is stress. Is stress inevitable? Can we avoid stress? No, we cannot avoid stress. Stress will always be there. Hurdles in life, failures in life will always be there. As we all know, there's no such thing as perfect life, right? So how we try to have a perfect life, managing all our activities from A to Z, still we will encounter stress and hurdles in life. Kasi wala namang perfect tong life. Kahit kung perfect to, hindi hapon perfect to. Okay, we are not perfect. So, one way of having a good coping skills is knowing your strengths and your weaknesses. So, what is stress? It is a mental, physical, emotional tension. It may come from any event or any thought. So, meaning to say, when you perceive stress, you perceive that it may be your resources is not enough to meet what is being asked. Like for example, it may be financial, it may be time, it may be your effort. Diba? Masaling, I did my best, but my best wasn't good enough. Okay, masaling, Sir Jay, marang ako makarating niya. Pero kung kulang na ang time talaga, buwas dahil hindi ba pa-submit, hindi ka na lang makatulong. Or your family, one of your family is being diagnosed with a chronic disease, like for example, having a cancer. So it entails a long journey when it comes with medical intervention. And when we speak of long journey of medical intervention, it entails finances, right? So, loan dito. So, loan kita ng tanan, di ba? So, grabe, chronic stress ito niya. So, what is the meaning of stress? So, we have a different way of accepting the stress, reaction to stress. Some are those nagiging eater kita. Kusog na ng kaon. Di ba, may kita ito nga, stress ako, sige kaon kita, or may dalang iba nga, galor kita, kay under stress. It's your way of releasing your stress. So, ang end up is you are going to gain weight. The other way around, for other individuals, they tend not to eat. Diriging gaganahan pagkaon say under stress sila. So, the end up is you are going to lose weight. So, nakakasabot na mo, gasa man niya. May problema kasi. O, pwede liwat, ako, eater talaga.